I'm Zana from support team, and after me will talk some of my support colleagues you haven't heard yet today, and also some developers. And we do the sharing every week, and even after years, for me, maybe 8, I don't know. It's still there's something new, something I have forgotten or I have to rediscover. I can still be surprised by eazyBI and by my colleagues, and also by you and your use cases. Yeah, you are very creative, a lot of people. So today I'm very delighted to give my knowledge to wider audience. I will show you something different perspective on feature you already probably use and know. So what we usually encourage, we say that you should interact with your reports, make some overview, because eazyBI is faster to making you overviews. And if you want to know how it's created, click on the metric and see what's behind it. Trhough Issues probably is very commonly used feature. And we have received a lot of questions. I want to see a bit additional information here. Can we modify this screen? Maybe we can add some additional metric or property. And our answer usually is no, we can't. But there's another way how to do it. I will show you how to create 2 reports in one report. There are other options. You can click on the report row and use option to drill across. And now I can see kind of different view. This is drill across issues, and I can modify what you can see on deeper level. Let's go back. So I will show you step by step how to create this report from the scratch. So this is very simple report. I have on pages status progress, and on rows I have issues created and assignees. And actually what I want to know is whether there's some colleague who has taken too much work. And so we can create this report. Let's start with vanilla, as Robert said. So there's a simple report with one selected metric, issues created. So I want to make it another hidden report for issue level. I start with clicking on one row and drilling across issues and issue levels. This is what I'm heading to. Now I go to metrics and add additional information I would like to see about each issue. I would recommend to start with issue properties because they work only at issue level and are fast and already imported information, description, some attributes on issues. In my case, I will pick some due date. If I'm looking on in progress issues, I will look when it was updated for the last time. I can check on issue type, priority. Maybe I can check on their subtasks. If we have some links, also this information could be taken from properties. I can also see in properties its original estimate or how many hours are spent. Actually, I have in this report very nice calculated metric you can find in demonstration account. Current issue days and current status. It makes sense for my report. So what we have already more information in this table. What is good about it, we can also add some visualization so it's easier to read. It's very hard to read just blank table. I would put, for example, my issue days and current status. I would add, self-formatting. I would add, for example, heat map. Let's put minimum value white and maximum blue. Then I can add, for example, for last updated date, I will add also some self-formatting and color the date field. For example, if I will compare date, diff, days, if this issue updated date, issue updated, last updated date compared to today is more than 7 days. No? Yes. Where is my where is my brackets? It is? No. Ah, PD. Yes, sorry. Then I will tell that it is not active. Active. And then I will choose exact value, not active. Better to copy. Typo is my enemy. And yes? After the brackets, right, yeah. I practiced this 10 times today, but I should do more. Okay, let's put it like this. But the ID issue updated. I saved it. Exact value, not active. Oh, why not? Why not? Ah, last updated. Yes. Yes. Updated, yes. It's everything. Yeah. I can see it, but now it's red. But you got the point. You can modify the table as you wish. And when it is done, the next step is very important. When it is done, you remove the issue dimension from rows. So we get back to the scary one column. You choose to hide rows and columns, hide empty rows and columns. Otherwise, if I show all empty columns, I will still see them. I will choose to hide rows and columns. This is. And for the reporter, for the assignee dimension, I have to pick back the initial selection. I will choose specific levels, so I get the same view as it is, as it was. And then save the report. Otherwise, the work is lost. So let's try to drill across and see if it's working. Yes, it's working. And if you want to get back, then there's button undo. This is one way. Or if you are scared of this, you can always refresh your browser. So you will get to the saved report view. This was technical consult. Yeah, colleagues. Yeah, this is how you can hide one detailed report in one overview report.